foods that turn poisonous when in fridge. Potatoes, cool in the fridge, they start making a bad thing called solanine. This is not just bad, it's dangerous. Eat too much of it, and you might feel really sick. Rice, once it's cooked and then gets cold in the fridge, bad tiny creatures called bacteria can grow, even if you heat it up again. These invisible bugs can make you super sick, giving you tummy aches or worse, tomatoes. They start to break down, making their natural defenses go wild, can mess with your stomach big time. Oils, like nut or flaxseed oils, they start to turn rancid, creating harmful stuff that can upset your stomach or even hurt your body. It's like they wear a disguise, looking fine, but hiding danger inside. Honey, in the fridge, can have tiny bits from plants that shouldn't be eaten. When it's cold, these bits can turn into something really bad for babies or sick people. Bananas can get sneaky black spots. They can be a sign of bad stuff building up that can upset your stomach or make you feel unwell.